journey to iTech, and thank you for your time here. Today's video is going to be on how you can get document topics on studypool. Okay, so how are you going to get a selling document topic? Okay, so how you can make more sales from this platform. Not all documents that you are going to upload will get the sales. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can get a selling document topics. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, you have to go to studypool.com. So as you can see, I'm here already, and you just come here. If you want to be a tutor, just click here. So we are going to look at something there. So you click on to be a tutor. Now when it opens like that, you just have to scroll down. So as you can see, earn money answering homework questions. Okay, so this is not what we are going to do. We are going to look for topics that is going to be sell. Okay, now let's scroll down. So when you scroll down, this is what you are going to hear is what recent questions. So recent questions. So these are the questions students are asking. Okay, and these students need tutors to teach them these questions, and this is what we need to take advantage of these questions. So as you can see, this question is a paragraph in Spanish. Okay, in perfect tenses, and this one management case study. Okay, organic chemistry mechanism of a reaction. So there are lots of questions here that these students are asking, and they need a tutor to handle them. Okay, so this one is paying for $5, this one paying for $15, this one paying for $7, this one is paying for $32 for a tutor who will handle him or her for this on this topic. So a child custody law questions. So these are some of the questions. Now that we know these questions are on demand, okay, so all what I have to do is that you just go to Google, just search on these topic, do a research on these questions that students are asking, and then you just come out with the questions and answers, and you upload it on this platform. Okay, so when students see this type of question that they need teachers to handle them, when they find it somewhere on this platform, they will just purchase, or they will just buy it instead of waiting for a teacher to come and teach them this topic. So this is one of the best way you can get a selling topic from this platform. And also now you go to selling documents. So when you go to the selling documents, there is also a trick there that you can use in order to get more sales. Okay, so you just scroll down, you scroll down, and you see recent top selling documents. So as you can see, recent top selling hot documents. So these are the recent top selling documents. So now let's look at these recent top selling document. Introduction to terminology and body organization. So study guide. So this is topic. The subject is called anatomy. So this topic is one of the topics which is best selling. So you can just do a research on it, and then you come out with a document, and then you just upload it there. Let's look at this one. Algebra integrals. Okay, integration note, the hot algebraic expression. So you just go on medical, surgical, nursing notes. Okay, chemistry practice exams versus and answers. So a whole lot of questions are here. Recent upload. Okay, so you can also make notes on these recent uploads or recent selling document. These are the top selling document that students are buying. So you need to come to this platform and use these two tips that I have shown you in order to get more sales. So this is how you can get selling topics that students will buy for, so that you'll be able to earn more money from this platform. See